So I just entered my first position for the day. So as you see, I enter right here and I got my stop loss up there. Now what I'm looking for is going break even around this level. Around here I'm gonna go break even, because this is important level, and then I'm gonna see if it's possible for the market to keep dropping a little more and going TP right down there. So yeah, that's the first trade of the day. Let's see what happened. I took the short basically because the market was selling pretty hard, and that's why I got in. So let's see if it keeps rallying down. Let's see. So I'll update you when the trade is finished. Alright, literally just stop it for a minute and this just did this. So we're break even right now. We want to set up our trade for a break even, and we want to look for go down there. Alright, so let's see what it does. Alright, so as you see now, we got it on break even, and this is beautiful. Now everything from here is just profit. So let's see if we get down there to this level, and yeah, let's see what happens. I will update you when I either hit my TP or I hit my stop loss. Let's see what happens. I don't know though. I'm looking at this. This is a great level to TP because this is the VWAP as well. So I want to TP right down there. This morning I came into the market and I was looking into shorting this level, but unfortunately we didn't get the movement of this level. You see, I don't know if you remember, but I saw this. I wanted to look for a bounce of this liquidity, but we didn't really quite touch it, and I'm really strict with my rules, and if we don't touch it, I don't want to get involved in. So that's why I didn't get involved into the trade, and I decided to wait a little bit more, and basically I've been waiting since then. I wait for all this move, then this move came with a lot of strength, and after I saw the strength, we broke the lows that we had before. I can delete this too. We broke these lows that we had there, and I decided to get into a short. And yeah, this is basically it. I got into a short, and now we're on break even. So beautiful trading day today. Let's see. So now this point right here is the most important level, because if we do a bounce, we technically broke right down, but not really quite. So you can see this level right here. Now we didn't quite broke it, not really. What we want to see is this level being broken, because this level is quite important right now. There we go, that's what we want to see. But let's see, we hold above it. Yes, just like that. You see, so now we just keep it there. Let's see, we close below it. That's just what I want to see. We have our take profit right down there, so let's see what it does. Now we broke it, so it's okay. Every time I see one important level like this and I see a bounce, I mark it up as an important level, because it's important, when the people is defending certain level, that means that there is interest on that zone, either for the bull or for the bear side, doesn't matter, but it's a level that you want to look at. So yeah, let's see, we hit TP now. I technically should have go to a 2-to-1, but I want to get it a little bit more. Let's see. Let's get it out. Perfect. That's perfect right there. I wanted to take more profit, but the 2-to-1 is it's like how I have to go out. So this trade is perfect right now. Perfect move. Perfect move. Nice. So this is it, guys. This is I got out right here. Well, that's a little less that's actually a little less than a 2-to-1. But that's okay. It's okay. It's like 1.98. But thanks to having no fees, so that will compensate it. So that's a great trade right now. That's a really nice. Look at this trade, man. Straight down, boom. So this is not luck. This is pure knowledge. Pure execution. You see, when I'm trading, I'm not super excited, super whatever. I'm just, man, this is how you gotta trade. You gotta just give a fuck about this shit. You gotta really just give a fuck about it. So look at this now. Now at this point, we are in an important level. That's why I also got out, because this is an important level. And when you see a liquidity like this, you gotta be careful. We could break it down, definitely. Let's see. We could break it down. Now I'm not seeing too much strength at this level from the bears. They're not really pushing down too strong yet, but we could definitely break it down. It's a real possibility. So what we want to do right now is we want to wait and see if we do break it down. In case we do break it down the way I want to see it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here into this level. Probably I'm going to get a short above this level. But first, I want to see it break it down. I'm going to get yet another short in this level if it does break it down. If it doesn't, then I'll just move on. But let's see first what it does. Alright, so this is the first trade for the day. And let's see what else we get. Alright. So we're gonna finish today's session right here, because I wanna go to the gym. So today's session was solid. We had one trade, one win, beautiful trade. So now we've been like, I don't even remember the last time we took a loss. I don't even remember, man. I think it was like 2 weeks ago. So we've been really rolling right now. This is it, man. Just gotta keep it consistent. Discipline, all that shit. One trade, one good setup, one high quality setup, make money, and we move on with the day. Now, I was waiting for another setup around here, but it didn't really. This is the thing, that there is a setup, but it's not high quality. And I don't want to take anything that is not high quality. I just want to focus on the high quality moves, on the high quality things. Because if I want, I could take like 5 trades a day, But I don't want to take trades that are not high quality. And that's what I'm focused on right now. So really nice move today. We finished this trading session, and I'll see you tomorrow with more. I'm thinking on making my trading sessions from 9 until 12 now, because I do them usually from 9 until 2. But man, this is kind of long, and I've seen that after like 12, I lose a little bit the focus. I'm not as focused as I am in the morning, and I'd rather be more focused, like compress my focus in 3 hours than expanding my focus in 5 hours. That's not being as sharp, right? Anyway, I'll think about it. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Okay, now it is. Okay, so now it's nighttime. today is the day 5. So man, we're basically killing it. You can see the spreadsheet. So this is all the trades I've been taking live with everybody. And we've been this whole week just winning. Though at some point we're going to take a loss, but being honest with you, the last loss I took was like before I went to vacations. So it's been looking pretty solid. Now, after this point right here, day 6, which starts tomorrow, we're gonna change the things a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna start taking a little. I'm gonna start trading the same setups at the same time, everything the same. It's just that I'm gonna increase my risk, and I'm gonna increase it gradually. Okay, so yeah, this is how it's looking like now. We have the consistency point, we got the disciplining point, we got the focusing point, we got the strategy in point, we got our mindset in point, we got our body in point, we got our money in point, we got everything in point, motherfucker. So everything that's left to do is to just keep going. Now, I have a little vision. I have a dream, if you want to call it that. I have a dream. December. My birthday is the 30th of December. And we are one day away from the day 30 of October. Now, in the next 2 months, I want to do something. Since I proved myself, in the month of September, I brought my account like 4x. Not one trade, but the whole account. No, that was the month of August. Sorry. No, hold on. Yeah, okay. September, right. September, it was a 4x. Now, in this month of October, because I went on vacations, I couldn't really trade like the whole time, because on vacation I didn't trade at all. But this month we doubled the account. Now, the thing is, I am not taking like big risk. I am being really like conservative with the risk. But our stats are this. So these are the trades I've taken since the 08, September. Well, no, August actually. Yeah, this is a couple of August. So I got a total of 52 trades, from which I have a 78% win rate. And obviously I'm getting a 2-to-1 each trade. Now, I just want to show you this. This is a calculator, a strategy calculator. So let's take our stats and let's print them here. Imagine what could we do, right? This is insane, right? Now, doing this is not easy. It's not easy. It is easy to see it on the, on the paper. It's easy to see it. But I realized that actually what's hard is not really on the technicals, it's just on the mind. Everything is on the mind. Every single thing that holds you back is on the mind. Everything is on the mind. And I feel like this is hard, not because it's hard, it's because the relation with the numbers on the screen that people has with it. That's why, in a popular perspective, doing this type of flips is hard. I've done, since the summer, I've been doing flips on the account, right? Not like this, but I've been flipping the account. So I have proved myself I can do this. Now, this is a huge difference, right? Taking 300 to 1,000 is not the same as taking 300, 250 to 20K. It's way different, right? That's something way different. Because you have to think that, okay, at the beginning, we're going to be risking a 10% of the account per trade. So you risk 10% of 250 is at $25. But at some point, if you get to 5K, you're risking $500. If you get to 10K, you're gonna risk $1,000. You understand? And that's the moment in which the people start making emotional mistakes. And that's the hard part. Bypass all of that. But as I said, everything is on the mind. Every single thing is on the mind. So this is my little challenge. I want to see what I can do. I want to see how far I can bring my mind. Because right now I'm playing really safe. I'm playing safe. But for how long will I do it? Today I was coming on the way home and I saw this video and it said, you gotta go all in. You gotta go all in trading. And for some reason, this just hit me different. It made me feel different. It made me feel like it was a message to me. And I just listened to my heart, and this is what I want to do. And this is what I will do. So we're going to see what happens. I don't really have any expectations. Actually, I think most probably, I don't know. I think we can flip it 100% to easy to 1,000 to 2,000. Beyond that is where the emotions start getting a toll on me, because when I start risking per trade 300 or 400 is different. But as I said, everything is on the mind, and if I never go for it, I will never grow above it. And I don't want to be all my life just trading in small amounts, right? Nobody wants to. So now that I have proven myself, consistency, discipline, it's time to do it. We're gonna see what happens. So let's see.